Are you a financial advisor who is struggling to attract new clients and grow your business? Are you, or do you feel like you're stuck in a rut using the same old marketing methods that no longer work today? Well, today, if you stay with us for the next couple of minutes, we are gonna burst the 6 limiting beliefs that you have for marketing automation. The 6 limiting beliefs that you have, which is not allowing you to leverage the benefits, leverage the power of marketing automation. Now, marketing automation is something that we all have heard of a number of times, but somehow we do not find it comfortable, or we are somewhere stuck, or we give a reason to ourselves why we should not be or why we could not use marketing automation. And as a financial advisor, I found out that these are the six uh, biggest limiting beliefs that every single financial advisor has who has not been leveraging the marketing automation tool yet. And people who have already started using it, they have understood and they have bursted the limiting beliefs that they had at one point of time. But today, they are happily and efficiently and effectively using the power of leveraging the power of marketing automation. Okay, so without wasting a lot of more time of yours, let us jump into understanding what this marketing automation is, the limiting beliefs around marketing automation that most of the financial advisors have. So recently, we did a poll on LinkedIn for the limiting beliefs that financial advisors have on marketing automation. And do you want to see what the results were? Okay, so about 55% of the people said compliance. Compliance issues were one of the very big reasons why they did not want to get into automating their marketing activities. Resistance to change, 10% of the people said this. Fear of technology, 9% of the people said this. Lack of time, 26% of the people said this. So the two biggest reasons, the two biggest out of the 6 reasons that we have, 6 limiting beliefs that we have, the two biggest ones were compliance issues and lack of time. So what were the other 4? The other 4, let me in fact actually summarize all of them in a serial order, and then maybe you can decide to yourself which one of these limiting beliefs is on you or is stopping you from using marketing automation. The number one limiting belief I would say is compliance issues. Most of the financial advisors are scared of or afraid of using marketing automation because working in a highly regulated industry, and they are concerned about the compliance issues related to marketing automation. They worry about the potential violations of privacy laws and other regulations that could result in fines. The second biggest issue or the second biggest limiting belief is lack of trust in automation. A lot of financial advisors feel that they have a very close and a personal relation with their clients, and if they use something like marketing automation, that personal touch might go away, and which keeps themselves away from leveraging marketing automation. Number 3 is the fear of technology. Yes, a lot of financial advisors fear technology. They are not comfortable with this change, with this switch, with upgrading their skills because they are already stuck with a lot of things that they have on their plate. Then they do not want to get into a new thing, a new technology where they will have to learn new things, where they will have to understand new things, and they really do not have the time. So they fear technology. Cost concerns. Yes, a lot of financial advisors think that marketing automation is expensive and is not worth the amount of money that you spend. Number 5 is lack of time. Definitely, yes. A lot of financial advisors. This was the second biggest or the second highest voted reasons on LinkedIn in our vote. Lack of time. They have all the financial advisors have busy schedules. They keep on meeting new clients, existing clients, resolving problems, resolving issues, and a lot of things. So they lack time that they need to give to a new tool, a new technology, a new thing. So lack of time and resistance to change. This is something that almost all of us have inbuilt. We all resist change. Most of us do not like to change. And financial advisors, professionals like financial advisors, resist change to a greater extent because of obvious issues of the risks, the compliances, and a lot of other things. But yeah, resistance to change is one of the big factors. So, what were the six limiting beliefs that we spoke of just now? And if you have any one of these that is stopping you from leveraging the power of marketing automation, then you need to understand that it's not marketing automation, but it's these limiting beliefs that is stopping you, and you are not the only one to have these beliefs. This is really, really important. Most of the times what happens is we think that it's only us that is, or it's only me who is facing this problem, and that is why it is unique to me and I cannot be using marketing automation. But when you hear a video like this where we talk about the 6 limiting beliefs which most of the financial advisors have, then you understand, then you realize that okay, this is not just my problem, this is the problem that almost everyone has. And people So these problems have a solution. There are financial advisors who have already gotten the solution and are already using marketing automation. And there are a lot of financial advisors who are maybe waiting or on the way to start using marketing automation. So these six beliefs that we just talked about were compliance issues, the lack of trust, the fear of technology, the cost concerns, the lack of time, and the resistance to change. So if these are the six limiting beliefs stopping you from utilizing the power of or leveraging the power of marketing automation, then I'll give you in the next couple of videos step-by-step methods or step-by-step ways on how you can burst each of these limiting beliefs from your mind and successfully start using or leveraging the power of marketing automation in your business, in your financial advisory, in your consultancy, with your existing clients, with your prospective clients, in lead generation, and a lot more. And trust me, friends, this is really, really important. Marketing has changed today, and you need to change yesterday. Not even today, but you already were supposed to change yesterday. But no, it does not matter. It's never too late. You need to start today utilizing the power of marketing automation. Let us quickly and in a ziffy burst all the limiting beliefs that you might have, get all the answers that you have, and start our journey towards using marketing automation to grow our business. So, yeah, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.